my channel. My name is Linda. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, on the agenda, I do need to make a grocery run, so I will be going to Aldi. I need to make a Starbucks run, because if you know, you know. And also, I do need to take my car to the car wash, again, if you know, you know. She hollering, kicking, screaming for some soap and water. So that's what's on the agenda for today. So if you're interested, continue to watch. Also, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also the notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Welcome to my channel for those who are new. Welcome back for those who are returning. Welcome to 50 Shades In. Let go. But how y'all been doing, y'all? How y'all been? How y'all been? I've been good. I've been a little under the weather, but I'm better. I don't know if y'all can hear it in my voice or not. I feel a lot better, but I can like still hear it in my voice. But yeah. And I ain't got no COVID because I've been tested. But yeah. I feel a lot, well, I ain't gonna say a little bit better. I feel a lot better than I felt the other day. Want me some Starbucks. Let me see where the closest Starbucks at. Cause I want some Starbucks right now. Let me see what we got going on here. Whew. One day it's like 77 degrees and the next day it's 30 something. Crazy. Let me see where the closest Starbucks is. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to hit the Starbucks. Pit stop. I have to get some gas, y'all, before I run out. I have about 43 more miles before I run out, so let me grab me some gas before I continue on my journey. Can I get the grande iced matcha latte?
Yeah, for sure.
And
anything else, bro?
Yeah, do you all have any more spinach, feta, and egg white wraps?
Yeah, you want one of those?
Yes.
Alrighty. Anything else, Ray?
That's it.
Alright, that'll be $10.12.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, you see how that sun hitting on me? That little haze. Yep, y'all. I'm kind of tired of eating those grilled cheeses. So I just got me a latte. I mean, egg wrap. I don't roll those grilled cheeses out. Grilled cheese probably sick of me. I'm talking about I'm sick of eggs. It's probably sick of me. Have y'all tried the grilled cheese at Starbucks? It's really good. Okay. Okay, thank you.
How's your day going? You got any plans for today?
No,
Hanging out?
I'm going to the Aldi, the grocery store, and I'm going home. Yes. Thank you. How you doing today?
I'm great.
That's good. That's good. You as well. Thank you. Been craving us, y'all. I've been craving us. I'm gonna pull over somewhere. I'm gonna pull around somewhere and drink this and eat it. This thing smells good. I haven't had one of these in a while either. Y'all look, they got a line at Starbucks now. I got here just in time. This is a cute little planner. You know I love planners. I really love these. Hold on, wait a minute. Oh, I'm about to break the people's stuff all up. Open it up like this. This is so cute. Then you have the little kids' underwear. These are so cute. And these are a 2T, 3T, so I know these are too small. Paw Patrol, I think these are cute. They have the little St. Patrick's Day candles. Not lucky, just blessed. We have this one. This one right here smells real good. Then they have some more planners. These ones are bigger. We have a lot of these. 2022. These ones are $7.99. The smaller ones were $5.99, I believe. These are cute. We have a console table. Cute little console table. This is $89.99. Got a fitness mat. They got a lot of stuff up in here, y'all. A lot of stuff. We have the Belgian waffle maker. This is cute. I like this. I like this color. But I wouldn't necessarily buy this color, but I do like the color. And this is $25. We had a booty shaping kit here. And the booty training system. This one is $12.99. But I think both of them are. Okay. They had the kitchen calendars. And these are weekly kitchen calendars. I guess if you're planning your meals. I like this. And this is $4.99. That wind ain't playing, y'all hear me? You don't hit me. Woo. Whew. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and what? I'll show you all quickly what I picked up. I just picked up some spring water. Some Italian sweet cream coffee creamer. I was looking for the almond cream. I didn't see any in there today. Sometimes Aldi doesn't have it when I go in there. I prefer the almond, but this is all they had. I do like this one as well, but like I said, I prefer almond. And I also forgot when I went to Starbucks to ask for almond creamer. Almond milk when I was there, but it's all good. So, some Italian sweet creamer. Canola oil. Mexican style cheese. Papaya. Green peppers. Avocados. tortillas, cantaloupe, chopped walnuts, tomatoes, shredded lettuce, onions, sour cream, Ziploc bags, oregano, cumin, turkey bacon, blueberries, cabbage, butter, honey roasted cashews, eggs, bread, orange juice, apple juice, salmon. Ooh, this thing's leaking. Girl, you smell like fish. You smell like fish, girl. Flatbread and chicken breast tenderloins. I think that's all I got. Yeah, that's it. That's all I picked up from Aldi. Yeah. Well, let me go clean myself up because your girl's smelling like fishy right now, okay? That's not a good look, a good smell, no. But anyway, I'm gonna see you all in my next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Also hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I do upload another video. Also like this video, give me a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and share this video if you care. If not, that's fine too, okay? But anywho, I'm gonna see you all in my next video. I wanna thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. Thank you. Anywho, your girl is about to be out. I'll see you all later. Deuces. Bye.